Looking for the best front and rear brake kit to ensure top-tier stopping power? Welcome back! Today, we are breaking down 5 premium PowerStop brake upgrades that guarantee safety, durability, and smooth performance. Check the description for links, and let's dive into the reviews. Kit number 1, PowerStop K2813. This brake kit, engineered for heavy-duty SUVs like the Lexus LX 570, Toyota Land Cruiser, and Sequoia. When driving a massive vehicle, standard brakes often fall short. This PowerStop package solves that by pairing custom-matched drilled and slotted disc rotors with advanced carbon fiber ceramic brake pads. The drilled holes allow for maximum cooling during extreme driving conditions, while the slots sweep away gas and dust, ensuring a clean contact patch for fade-free braking. What makes this kit exceptional is the low-dust ceramic formula, keeping your wheels spotless while providing significantly more stopping power than factory alternatives. Installation is a breeze since everything is built to exact OEM specifications. If you want maximum safety and whisper-quiet performance for your premium SUV, this complete PowerStop upgrade is an absolute game-changer for daily driving and adventurous family road trips alike.
Kit number 2, PowerStop K216-36. Next up is Powerhouse, designed for the Chrysler Aspen, Dodge Durango, and Ram 1500. If you regularly haul heavy loads or pull trailers, you know how quickly factory brakes can overheat and wear out. PowerStop designed this kit specifically to handle extreme towing conditions without compromising daily driving comfort. It features heavy-duty drilled and slotted rotors that drastically reduce brake temperatures, preventing dreaded brake fade when navigating steep declines. Combined with specialized Z36 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, this package delivers severe-duty stopping power while keeping annoying brake dust to an absolute minimum. Premium stainless steel hardware and high-temperature brake lubricant are included, making it a true bolt-on upgrade. For truck owners demanding uncompromising safety, reliability, and sheer stopping muscle under heavy payloads, this PowerStop kit delivers outstanding fade-free performance and absolute peace of mind every single time you hit the road.
Kit number 3, PowerStop K6405-36. Our third spotlight goes to the massive PowerStop K64050-36 truck and tow brake kit, purpose-built for the mighty Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks. These trucks are built for extreme labor, requiring a braking system that seamlessly matches their incredible towing capacity. This PowerStop upgrade provides exactly that. By utilizing precision-drilled and slotted rotors, the kit ensures rapid heat dissipation, completely eliminating dangerous brake fade when hauling heavy equipment down steep mountain passes. The proprietary carbon fiber ceramic brake pads are engineered to offer severe duty friction, meaning you maintain a firm, responsive pedal feel even under the heaviest loads. Despite its aggressive stopping power, the innovative low dust formula keeps your truck wheels looking immaculate. Every component is meticulously engineered for a direct bolt-on replacement, with zero modifications required. For Super Duty owners, this is simply the ultimate no-compromise upgrade for unmatched heavy hauling safety and absolute towing confidence.
Kit number 4, PowerStop K8166 for Honda Accord. Coming in at number 4 is tailored exclusively for the Honda Accord. While the Accord is a fantastic daily commuter, upgrading to PowerStop's carbon fiber ceramic brake pads and drilled and slotted rotors transforms its handling dynamics entirely. This kit is designed for drivers wanting a significant boost in braking performance without sacrificing everyday drivability. The precision-machined drilled holes keep rotor temperatures down during aggressive stop-and-go city traffic, while the slots sweep away debris to maintain a consistent, smooth pedal feel. The true star is the carbon fiber ceramic pad compound, which drastically reduces brake dust to keep your rims looking factory fresh, all while completely eliminating annoying brake squeal. It is a direct-fit replacement upgrade that brings premium stopping power to your reliable sedan. If you want a noticeable improvement in overall safety, longevity, and aesthetics for your Accord, look no further. Kit number 5, PowerStop KOE2822 Front and Rear Brake Kit, an essential replacement package for the Lexus ES350, Toyota Avalon, and Toyota Camry. Unlike our heavy-duty or performance slotted entries, the KOE series is designed specifically as a premium OE replacement. It features high-quality standard disc rotors paired with PowerStop's acclaimed Z17 ceramic brake pads. This combination is precisely engineered to restore your vehicle's original braking performance while offering a massive upgrade in noise reduction and dust control. The advanced ceramic formula ensures your wheels stay cleaner for much longer, and the included rubberized shims guarantee a whisper-quiet, smooth stop every single time. Everything needed for a seamless installation is in the box, including premium stainless hardware. If you seek a highly reliable, cost-effective way to restore factory-fresh braking to your daily commuter without breaking the bank, this PowerStop kit is absolutely perfect.
Why choose PowerStop today? Whether you're towing massive loads with a Super Duty or daily driving a Camry, these kits deliver unmatched safety, zero fade, and clean wheels. Price-wise, the KOE series offers budget-friendly factory restoration, while the heavy-duty truck kits provide premium towing power at a fraction of dealership prices. Check the links below, grab yours, and drive safely.